All right, if you have all your things, follow me, please.
Wait a minute. What is that?
I think that might be a leaf too, but you see over there, that's not. So my name is Liv Kindle, and I am the River Cleanup and Outreach Coordinator at the Spokane Riverkeeper. My litter cleanup program, or river cleanup program, is focused on collecting trash in and around the river, and we do that in 3 different ways. We do private events with companies and schools in the area. We do public events that anybody can sign up to join, and we also float the river to collect trash. The best way to get involved is to reach out through our website. We have a tab that's specifically for how you can volunteer, and you can do that through our litter program or community science program. We just have a ton of different options, and we always need help. We always need hands. You can do it as an individual. You can do it as a community. Donating to support our program is also a huge way to just help us do more in the community to protect the river.